morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a swipe again, and come along and join me. We're going to create a beautiful painting today, and come and join me and join along, create your own beautiful art. That's what this is all about. Come and join me. Let's create something beautiful today. Come. Okay, we are back. Right, so I have here, I have my palette knife that we're going to use to swipe. I've got some paper towel to wipe that off with. Over there, I've prepped my canvas. I've put the push pins in and everything. And then in here we have the two black paints. This one is my normal black paint mixed with pouring medium, mixed with water, with a little bit of silicone in. This one is my Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed only with water. And we are going to combine the two. There we go. Just get it all out. And now we're going to mix these two together. Give it a good old mix. Right. Going to put my gloves on quick. And then we're going to, you know what, I think I'm going to put a little bit of a base down on the canvas. Because it's a biggish canvas, I think it's about 30 centimeter canvas. And I'm going to be tilting it. It's not on a spinner or anything. So just to help tilt it, I think I'm just going to, if I can open this bottle, just going to put down some white and just cover the canvas. So I'll just use that. Right, let's put some color on the canvas. This is PBO metallic. It's like a green yellow mixture type color. It's very pretty. Some light blue. Okay, what else? Some neon orange. Alright, some light green. It's very similar to the other color, so I won't put too much of that. I don't really know what's in here. Let's just put a little bit. Right, what else? Maybe some of this dark pink. And oopsie, some neon pink. And I think last color we'll just put a little bit of yellow. Okay. I wonder if that's enough paint. I'm going to put some more paint. Let's see. I can put some of this. Okay. Because, you know, you don't want to be tilting and then you realize you don't have enough paint on the canvas. That is a disaster. And I think I'll put some neon yellow. Right, so we put the palette knife in, take the excess off, and swipe across, and wipe it off. And we just keep going. And again, I swipe this way and then that way, and then this way and then that way. That's really just the way I do it. Now some really pretty cells coming through already. And across. And last one. Across. Okay. Right, let us hit that with a heat gun. Just wipe that off. Okay, let me hit this with a heat gun quick. Okay, it didn't bring up a lot of cells, but I'm not going to worry too much. I'm going to tilt it. So, you know, let's just see what we'll end up with. So I'm going to bring you up now. Okay, right. So let's just see what we get. There are some really pretty cells here. Okay, so we're just going to sort of just take it like that. You know, take your time with it. Take your time with it. You don't want to just stretch everything completely out of proportion. So take your time, go from side to side. I wonder, I should actually put a piece of cardboard. Do I have a piece of cardboard in here? Let me see. Okay, I found a piece of cardboard. Right, so all you do is you just fold the cardboard in half like that, and you hold it, I don't know if you can see, you hold it over the edge like that. Oh, where are you? There. And then you tilt down to that cardboard, and then that cardboard will catch it, and it just helps you to keep the paint on the canvas, and then you tilt it back, right, and then you just move the cardboard to the next corner, and then you tilt it down again to the cardboard, and back again. Right, and then next corner, just move it across. I hope you can see it. Okay, and down and back. And the last corner. Wow, these colors are so pretty. And down. Okay, so now we know the canvas is covered. So now we can just make sure that all the sides are covered. And there is enough paint on here that we can tilt it if we need to, you know, get the look we're looking for. But I think this is gorgeous. Look at it. I don't think I want to really do much to it. I think it is gorgeous just the way it is. I just want to make sure I don't have too much paint on the canvas. So maybe I can just tilt it a little bit, just to get the excess paint off. And bring it back down. There, I really don't want to do more. Wow, that is so pretty. Those colors are so bright. I love it, absolutely love it. So let me quickly hit this with a heat gun. I don't, yeah, I'll just maybe. Okay, now that has brought up tiny cells now, but it doesn't matter. It's still very pretty. Just make sure, like I said, that all your sides are covered. Bring that more to the middle again. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So let me, typically I'll move the painting around after I take my gloves off, you know, that's just typical of me. So now I've got paint all over my hands. It's all part of the fun. There we go. Wow, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the painting on my tray, my drying tray, so that it will dry, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So there it is, look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? The colors are so bright. Look at it. And what I really love about these paintings is the effects that you can get. The 3D effects. They look like bubbles or pebbles. I don't know what it looks like, but I love the effects. I love the colors. And again, no two paintings you do are going to look the same. They're not going to look the same. No matter what you do, you're never going to get them to look exactly the same. So really very pretty, very unique. Look at the colors. I mean, this is really what I love about acrylic pouring. This is what I love about it. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Look at that. Now, picture that hanging on your wall. Everybody who walks into the room is going to see it immediately. It is so bright and so, it's pretty. It's just pretty. They're going to notice it. Very happy with that. So there we go, everyone. Painting done. And thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support would really mean the world to me. And I'll be back tomorrow for another painting. So be sure to join for tomorrow's video. And remember, everybody, all paintings that are created in this channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. Details to my Etsy shop are down in the description below the video. And all my paintings are discounted in price at the moment, and they all include worldwide postage. Okay, so just go and have a look at my shop if you don't mind. And that's it, everyone. Great stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.